Okay, so this is one of my purchases from Five Below. Those of you that follow me on Instagram know that I don't have any stores like that near me in my little rural, coastal Maine town that I live in. But anyway, I went yesterday to South Portland and I found this Glam Squad doll. Now, the doll, obviously is a Barbie clone, quote unquote. I didn't buy it for the doll, but for $5, look, I got this really cool ski set. So she's called the Alpine Skier, and she's, just not bad packaging. The back is kind of cool, actually. It says her astrology sign is Aquarius. She has personality traits, always on the move, stylish, and loves the cold. She loves to ski with her friends and then head to the lodge for some steaming hot chocolate. That's the best part of skiing as far as I'm concerned. The skier always dressed to impress, whether to be on the runway or racing her way down a mountain with an eye for style. She loves shopping for new outfits. Most of the time she will upcycle old clothes and then turn them into something new. That's a cool trait right there. Vintage ski jackets are her favorite show off on the slopes. And it tells you what's included. I mean, for a clone doll for $5, it's not a bad thing. But anyway, I was after the accessories because a lot of my old Barbie ski things, are missing a boot or the boots don't fit into the skis. So I thought that this might be a really cool, alternative if, in fact, this doll fits. I mean, obviously, it would fit Barbie's. I'm sure of it. So let's get her out. Okay, scissors. I think this is cool. Look, there's a scarf, there's goggles, there's earmuffs. The earmuffs kind of were what sold me the most. But really, I know these boots are going to fit these skis, and that's what I was really after. So, her outfit's not terrible. I mean, I don't know for sure. I'll have to just see when I look at it. But for sure, I'm going to donate the doll. She doesn't have a bad face, but she's not articulated. And, I prefer dolls that have smaller eyes and more realistic human looking. I don't really like this kind of face paint either, but I mean, she's not bad. She's not a bad looking doll. So I guess they've got this kind of stitched on her. It's a little cap. I mean, it's not finished on the bottom, but it's a decent little ski cap. And then she's got this little velour jacket, which I do think is cute. I think that there are things that I could use that with. And these are nice little, pants. There's nothing wrong with them. And even if we take this off, oh yeah, it's not really finished well underneath. See, that's where you kind of see where the problems lie. But like I said, I got it for the accessories. But that I see a bad sleeve there, because I was going to say these would make decent pajamas in my book, because it seems to have long sleeves. I mean, it can be fixed. There's just missing some stitching here. I might fix that and use it for pajamas. Let's get this off of her. Okay, there we go. I just paid $6 for a little Mattel denim skirt and top. I mean, nothing special. I just felt like I needed some cute things for the, for the curvies. and it looks like that little denim skirt was going to fit really well. This is kind of cute. It's like a, I want to say velvet, but I guess that's velour, or like really fine velvet. Maybe that's what velour is. I should look that up. But it feels like really, really super soft. And then this faux fur is actually pretty nice too. It feels nicer than it looks. But I mean, I think that could be cute with a certain something. So here she is without that. Like I said, the stitching is missing. Her hands are here somewhere. But there's no, like, very little articulation in this doll. I mean, the head goes back and forth, but not, well, a little bit up and down. But her, yeah, her arms do go to the side. I mean, it's better than some, I think. But there's no articulation in the knees. And she does have these little, the Barbie, old-fashioned on-the-toes shoes. I mean, feet. So anyway, let's look at these accessories. So, let's see. Oh my goodness, I love the earmuffs. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh, we might as well try it on her. I didn't get another Barbie ready. I should have, but There, that's adorable. Yeah, we might as well, like, leave her as our little model. Give her 5 minutes in this, what did they say that? 5 minutes of fame. Okay, here we go. Let's put these boots back on. That's interesting that the boots are for, what do they call those toes? The tippy toes. The pointed toes. Okay, here are the skis and the ski poles. The little scarf. It's the same material as the little jacket. So we can put that. Her hair's actually pretty nice and soft. Yeah, her hair's not bad. Some little girl will be happy with this once I donate it. We have a nice place around here that, oh, nice. A couple of threads. Get that. Okay, here we go. Let's put that back on you. I don't know that it said her name. It just said Alpine Skier, Series 1. Okay, and you had goggles. Oh, that's so cute. There's a ski pass, look, attached to the ski. That's really cute. There's a nice touch. Ski pass printed on both sides. So I think normally they put that on their jacket or hang it in their neck. And then here are the goggles. Which aren't bad. They kind of look kind of cute. And let's get the skis on. Oh, yeah. It looks like they're going to fit. There, nice. Top of my head there for a minute. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that actually works really well. Look at that. It stays on like super well. Nice. Okay, now if we could get your hands out. Even with her hands hiding in there, it just seems to be stuck. That's why I didn't quite pull it out. I was like, I don't know if there's if it's important enough to do that. But we can slip the poles on her hand. So, if she had knee articulation, you could pose her really well. She actually looks pretty cute. I mean, look at her lips are actually really nice. It's just those eyes. I started collecting in the 90s, and I don't know, I just was never really that crazy about the really big eyes. I know a lot of people really like the dolls from that era with the big eyes. I prefer, realistic looking eyes. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to sort of show you that, these things are available. Sometimes it's really a good buy to get these clone dolls, even if you don't keep the doll, but the accessories can be really, really nice and helpful. Well, this is interesting. So here I have the Margot Robbie doll dressed up in her ski outfit. I mean, she looks absolutely adorable, doesn't she? Um, I have this little winter diorama set up, and she looks like she just came down from the slopes. So what's interesting is that, the whole doll community is always raving about the made-to-move Barbies. And the Margot Robbie doll has articulation, but she's not the made-to-move that the doll lovers love so much, including me. I'm not saying I'm not a part of that group, but I went to put these ski boots on a regular, the made-to-move bodies. So this is what the made-to-move bodies look like. They have amazing, oh, Barbie, Margot, you fell, there you go. They have amazing articulation in their knees and their thighs. Well, this girl is from the Barbie style. She's the one that comes with the really handsome Ken. And so they do have articulation in, the wrists, and then, of course, the ankles. The cool thing about that is they can wear high heels and flats. But she can't wear those boots. They would not click in. Apparently, it's not the right kind of foot. So then I tried a tall Barbie, and she didn't work out. Then I tried this curvy one, because they have bigger feet. The boot wouldn't go into there either. So I was just like, what is going on? I thought for sure those boots were going to fit Barbies. But this is our girl from the Glam Squad, who the boots came with from Five Below. And if we compare feet, it's just a different angle. So even if we put high heels on the curvy, I mean, it seems like it would fit, but the curvy's foot is just a little bit bigger. I don't know if you can see that really well. It's just a little bit bigger. And if we compare the Glam Squad's foot to the regular, this is just a regular made-to-move body. Her foot is just smaller, and the boots just would not stay on. So where the curvies were a little bit too big, I mean, this one looks like it would work, but it just doesn't. It's missing that sort of like that really deep incline. These snap right in and they really stay. So it's a very interesting situation because it's very surprising. It's not something that I was expecting at all. So let's look at you, Margot. I love this little outfit. I'm not sure exactly what the name of that set was that this came in. It was, I think, from the 90s, probably the late 90s, and it came with a chairlift, but it could have been from the early 2000s. It came with a chairlift, and it came with a Barbie in this jacket. I'm not positive what the bottoms were, but it's very possible that it was kind of like this. And it came with a little Chelsea that also has skis and ski poles. So I'm going to have to find that. I haven't been able to locate the chairlift because, so many of my things were in storage for so long, and I'm slowly unpacking everything. I did find the chairlift at one point, though. I know I still have it. But anyway, her feet, because she is not the made to move, she's just the regular articulated, the same articulation that they have for the Barbie extra dolls. And, they don't have articulation in the ankles, which a lot of doll collectors get upset about. They're upset that why didn't the Margot Robbie doll come with a made to move body? But in this situation, what have you got on there? Oh, we probably had a little putty on there to help keep her heels on at one point. But see, these snap right into these boots. They fit right in just like for the doll it was made for. There it is. And see, they're not falling off her feet. On the other feet, the curvies, like I said, I couldn't get the curvies in. And the regular ones would just fall right off. They just didn't work. So I just thought that would be interesting to let you know that. And I do think that the Margot Robbie doll looks really adorable in her little ski outfit. So, she already had a little ski pass on there, so I did not use this little ski pass, but I do think this was such a cute little touch that they put on there.
White snow falling down all around. Let's go outside, play on the ground. Snowflakes dancing, winter's here. Laughing and cheering, full of cheer. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, coal for the eyes. Hat and scarf, he's just the right size. Oh. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, coal for the eyes. Hat and scarf, he's just the right size.